I'm going to be doing a graphic card install and I'll also be showing you how to install RAM if you choose to. What I'm doing this on is the Dell Inspiron i660s, which stands for slim. So it is the slimmer model. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the case cover. First you want to remove these two screws and slide the cover off. Now if you do want to install a graphics card, you are going to have to get a low profile card, as well as something that isn't going to draw too much power, because the power supply is only like a 220 watt. This is a little air direction for the fan, which you can just easily pop off. And if you wanted to change your RAM, it's right there. You have room for another slot right there, so you can add another 4 GB, which I am not going to be doing right now. In order to install this, I'm going to have to remove this cover here. It just pops off like so. And I did have to get a low profile graphics card, which this is a 6570 Sapphire. Now I did buy a refurbished model, so it did not come with the smaller bracket, so I had to remove this, and I'm gonna have to order that separately, but I'm gonna go ahead and install it now without the bracket. So actually, this part is going to have to be removed as well. 1 second. Go ahead and get that removed. So there is another screw that has to be removed right here. There we go. Once you hear the snap, you know it is installed correctly, and you can see it is lined up over here. Okay, so basically, in order to complete the installation, you just basically do the reverse by putting this air deflector back on and the case cover, and that should be it.